Hi guys, today I will show you how you can merge multiple tables into a single one in MS Excel. To get more videos like this, you can subscribe the channel and you can press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification in your email. Thank you. Today I will show you how we can use index and match. So here we have different tables. Let's say it is a sales data of few salesperson whose names are given here, and all these datas are trimester data, means 3 months data. Okay, now we have a task to consolidate all this data in a single table. Now how we can do that? For that, let me open a new sheet. Here we have selected the cell. Now what we will do, we will come to data, we will select this data, and in this data we will select consolidate. We have different functions, but instead of all these functions we need sum. Now we will click at the reference and go to these tables. Now we will select all this table and then we will add this. Now next we will select the second table and we will add it again. Again we will select the third table and we will add it again. Now again we will select the fourth table and we will add it again. Now we already have the top row and the left column, so we will select this and we will interlink the source data with this and we will press OK. Now here you can see you got all the data you have got. Right now, if you want to change any of these data, the changes will be reflected in this table. Okay, so let me try to change something. Let's say Shyam's January sales data is not 169. Instead of that, it has 170. Now press enter and check here whether it is. Now you can see Shyam's January data is 170. Now Ram's January data in the initial table was 585. It was 585. Now try to change this. Instead of 585, it's 785. 785. Now let's see whether it has been changed in the result table. So it has already changed in the result table. So in this way you can merge all these tables in a single table. Today I will show you how you can use index and match in this kind of a table in which we have